All right, some days the market is, pretty easy what it's doing, the flow. So you look at Soxley, look at this. From the low candle up, there's your red, get out, make it simple. Comes down, see what it's doing here. Actually put in line here, I'll try to make it as easy as possible. Breakout, okay. Where's your line at? 40.50. Go up again. You're holding this line the whole way out, and now you're actually going up higher. See the market too, everything is exploding up from the lows. NASDAQ didn't have that move. S&P up, Russell up. So every day is going to be different. Every day the moves are going to be different. Someday it'll be volatility. This went down. There's your hammer. Look at it. Now you draw this low all the way up now. Look where we're at. Never got below the ultimate low. The ultimate low. UDAL, this made a double bottom. See, this was a little different. You pretty much double bottomed right here, 107. Now that low is going to be a little wide, so you bring it, connection points. That's why you bring it higher, and there's the connection line right here. On UPRO, UPRO pretty much makes sense. It's connected here. You see right up here, the wave, it's going up. TNA. I just did TNA, that's right. So UDAL, TNA. What else we have? TECL. It's more of a swing, but this will probably be up too. Yeah, this is up. This goes up big. Look at this, 130. It's 134. It's going above this little line I have here. What else do you have here? LABU. Wonder if this is up. Looking at all ETFs. Yep, look at this go up. So you want to move this line. This is a straight up rocket. Now this is breaking out. So this doesn't get any action. No one's trading this pre-market unless there's some sort of news. Maybe it was like COVID. So 104, look at this. Goes 107, 111. You have a $7 move on an ETF. That's absolutely incredible. What else? WBL. Internet Bulls. This doesn't get that much. See, the volume's not that great on that. FAS, that's financial. Look at that deep move. So 178. This is another great chart to learn from. Red. Nothing pre-market. You can see sort of was going out though. Even these little blips, these little dashes. So you know that's where you're at up here, 178. And then you come down all the way to 173. And then put your line pretty close here. Right about there. And then you're starting to come up. And that big green candle, excuse me, goes 173, 174. And then you're at 177 like that. Look at that V recovery, just like that. And you want to get these on the lows. See, look where you're at here. Okay, you're here very low. Now, if you tried there, you would have been stopped out. That's not really the candle. It's just one candle. And then look what happens. You take off. So V recovery. These are big moves. The market goes up and down like this. And that's why you want the volatility like this. Because that is trading. If you get no volatility, this went up this little move and then came down flat sideways like this almost. You get nothing. It's not going to really do anything for you. But some big moves today. The best to trade with these ETFs too, I say Soxl, TQQQ, TNA. What else here? UDAL, UPRO. Sometimes it won't be that great because no one's really trading that to trade it. Because TQQQ is tech, TNA small caps, Soxl semiconductors. They're the best. That's why if you see me do charts, I'm trading them all the time. It's easy. Look at the lines here. It's very easy to see. And on the daily chart, you see what it's doing. It's an uptrend. Every uptrend, would be bought. Even though this looks like this is going to go down right here. So you're getting a lot of fake outs here. Even though I did say watch the 4 hour, watch 3880. I had that on video. So it's just a lot of false signals that try to go down even a little bit at this point. So it's just wild. But here we are. And these are some good charts to learn from. Peace.